Hello everyone, I am Professor P.S. Bhargavkar. Today we see method study. What is method study? So in industrial engineering unit number 2nd, method study. So firstly we see what is method study. In that unit, method study, work study. Okay. So see, first one is a work study. What is a work study? It is a systematic examination of the method carrying on activities so as to improve the effectiveness, use of resources, and to set up standard of performance for the activities being carried out. Okay, so this type of concept is known as work study. It is a generic term for those techniques, method study, and work measurement which are used in the examination of human work in all its context and which lead systematically to the investigation of all the factors which affect the efficiency and economy of the situation being reviewed in order to affect improvement. Okay, other concept is also it is that body of knowledge concerned with the analysis of the work method and the equipment used in performing a job, design of an optimum work method, and the standardization of proposed work method. Okay, so what is a work study? So work study has a contribution measurably to the search for better method, and the effective utilization of this management tool has helped in the accomplishment of higher productivity. Okay, so work study is a management tool to achieve higher productivity in any organization, whether manufacturing product or offering services to its customer. So this is a concept of a work study. So what is a work study? Work study is a management tool to achieve higher productivity in any organization. For example, in industrial, in pharmaceutical, okay, any industry, any manufacturing unit where manufacturing product or offering services to its customer. So this concept is known as the work study. Okay. Next one is a method study. What is a method study? It is the systematic recording and critical examination of existing and proposed way of doing work as mean of developing and applying easier and more effective method and reducing cost. Okay, so this type of concept is study is a method study. So next one is a work measurement or time study. Work measurement is also known as time study. So what is work measurement? It is the application of technique designed to establish the time for a qualified worker to carrying out a specific job at a defined level of performance. That means work measurement. Okay, so objective. What are the objectives of so first objective is to analyze the present method of doing a job systematically in order to develop a new and better method. Second objective is to measure the work content of a job by measuring the time required to do the job for a qualified worker and hence to establish standard time. Next objective is to increase the productivity as ensuring the best possible use of human, machine and material resources and to achieve best quality product services at minimum possible cost. Next objective is to improve the operational efficiency. Okay, so those are the objectives. Next point is benefits of work study. So next benefits of work study in that first benefit is increased productivity and operational efficiency, reduce manufacturing cost, improved workplace layout, better manpower planning and capacity planning, fair wages to employees, better working condition to employees, improve workflow, reduce material handling cost. Those are the benefits of work study. Okay. Next benefits, provide a standard of performance to measure labor efficiency, better industrial relations and employee morale, basic for sound incentive scheme, provide a better job satisfaction to employees. Those are the benefits of work study. Next point is scope of work study. So in that, relationship between method study and work study. Work is distributed into types: method study and work measurement. So in short, what is method study? To simplify the job and develop a more economical method of doing it. And work measurement, in work measurement, to determine how long it should take to carry out the job. And finally we get output is a higher productivity. Okay, so this is scope of work study is explained by using that chart. Scope of work study. Method study and work measurement are closely like to each other, as both are associated with work study. Method study reduces the content of job, and work measurement investigates and induces ineffective time associated with a job with establishment of standard time. This results into efficient working operations, leading to increase in productivity of that process. Next point, all of us we discuss work study procedure. So this is all of you see the chart, work study procedure. So first procedure, work study procedure, in that first one is a select, second one is a record, examine, develop, measure, define, install and maintain. So total 8 steps of a work study procedure. First one is a select, second one is record, third one is a examine, fourth one is a develop, fifth one is a measure, sixth one is a define, seven is install, and 8 number procedure is maintain. Okay, so this is a work study procedure chart. So work study procedure, suppose work study procedure, in that firstly we select the job, after that record from direct observation, after that examine recorded facts, develop economical methods, measure work and calculate standard time, define a new method, install a new method, maintain a new method. Okay, so total 8 steps of work study procedure. Next point is influence of method and time study in a production activities. So this chart shows influence of method and time study in productive activities. So method and time study. So method and time study, in that product control, industrial relations, sales, engineering, manufacturing and controller. So method and time study consist of all those 6 points. Okay, so next one is method study. What is method study? Systematic recording and critical examination of existing and proposed way of doing work as a mean of developing and applying easier and more effective method and reducing cost. Okay, so work method analysis or method study is a scientific technique of observing, recording and critically examining the present method of performing a task or operation with the aim of improving the present method and developing a new and cheaper method. It is also known as method improvement or work improvement. Okay, so work method analysis or method study is a scientific technique of observing, recording and critically examining the present method, perform a task or operations with aim of improving the present method and developing a new and cheaper method. It is also known as method improvement or method work improvement. So next, it aims is to find best possible manufacturing procedure that require least time and less fatigue to worker, used to analyze movement of body, people or material, activities of people and machines. What is method study? Method study is a technique to reduce work content mainly by eliminating unnecessary movements by worker, material or equipments. Objective of method study. So what are the objectives of method study? So one by one we see. First one is to study the existing proposed method of doing any job, operation or activities. Next objective is to develop an improvement method to improve productivity and to reduce operating cost. Next is to reduce excessive material handling or movement and thereby reduce fatigue to workmen. To improve utilization of resources, to eliminate wasteful and inefficient motions, to standardize work method or processes, working condition, machinery, equipment and tools. So those are the objectives of method study. Next point is advantages of method study. So one by one we discuss. First one is work simplification is the main advantage. Improved working method, better productive quality. So first advantage is working simplification, improved working method, better productive quality, improved workplace layout, improved equipment design, better working conditions, better material handling, improved workflow. Okay, those are the advantages of method study. Next advantage is of method study is less fatigue to the operator, optimum utilization of all resources, higher safety to workmen, shorter production cycle time, higher job satisfaction, reduced material consumption and wastages, reduced manufacturing cost and higher productivity. Okay, those are the advantages of method study. Next point is a method study procedure. So method study procedure, in that first is a select, record, examine, develop, define, install, maintain. Those are the steps of procedure of method study. So one by one we shortly discuss. Procedure to accomplish a method study called scheme shall be as follows. First point is a select. Number of point is a select. In that the job or operator that needs improvement. Second is a record. In record all facts how work is done by chart method. Examine every aspect of a job by asking what, why, where, when, who, and how. Next one is a develop. In that develop, review ideas, eliminate, simplify, combine, rearrange, make a new method, which more safe, chart new method, submit for approval. In a next is install. Install the new method, consider best time to introduce, convenience all train user. Next one is a maintain, check frequently, match results, correct deviations. Method study steps, select a job procedure to examine and observe current performance, high process cost, bottlenecks, low productivity, erratic quality, record and document facts. In a flow diagram, show the procedure of method study steps. First one is select, record, examine, okay, develop, implement, and maintain. Okay, so activities performed, operation involved, how etc, equipment and tools used, material processed or moved, apply critical examination, challenge job components and necessity, purpose, place, sequence method, develop alternative method, present, propose, document as a base for new work system install, monitor slippage and maintain. Next is recording techniques. So different types of recording techniques for method study. It is categorized into two parts, charts and diagram. So chart is also divided into two types of charts, macro motion chart and micro motion chart. So in a macro motion charts, it is divided into four types. First one is operation process chart. Second one is a flow process chart. Third one is a two-handed process chart. Fourth one is a multiple activity chart. In a micro motion chart, the example is CMO chart. Okay, so chart has two types, macro motion chart and micro motion chart. This is the first one and second one. So macro motion chart has a four types. First one is operation process chart, flow process chart, two-handed process chart, and fourth one is a multiple activity chart. And micro motion chart has example is a CMO chart. Okay, so second recording technique is diagram. So in diagram, two types of diagram. First one is a flow diagram and string diagram. So this is a recording techniques for method study, charts and diagram. Okay, so next one is a method study symbol. Those are the symbols we can use in method study. So first symbol is the operation. All of you see, this is a symbol of operation. Second is the inspection, the rectangular box. All of you see, this rectangular box symbol is a symbol of inspection. This is transportation symbol. Next one is a delay. This is a delay symbol. Next one is a storage, and next one is a combined activities. So those are the symbol we can use in method study: operation, inspection, transportation, delay, storage, combined activities. Okay, next is process chart symbol. So just one line introduction, process chart symbol. So in that, first one is operation. So operation indicates the main step in a process method or procedure. Usually the part, material or product concerned is modified or changed during the operation. Second process chart symbol is inspection symbol. Okay, so this is a operation symbol. Next one is inspection indicates an inspection for quality and or check for quantity. So that time we can use this symbol, inspection symbol. Next one is a transport symbol. This is transport symbol. indicates the improvement of worker, material or equipment from place to place. Okay, place to place. So those are the just introduction. Next one is a temporary storage or delay symbol. Indicate a delay in the sequence of event, for example working waiting between consecutive operations or any objective laid aside temporary without record until required. Next one is a permanent storage. Okay, indicate a controlled storage in which material is received into or issued from store under some form of authorization, or an item is retained for defense reference purposes. So next symbol is a combined activity symbol. In combined activity symbol indicate control storage in which material is received into a or issued from a store under some form of authorization, or an item is retained for defense reference purposes. So those are the symbol. Okay, next. Okay, those are the example of different symbols. First one is operation symbol. Okay, drive nail, mix, drill hole. So these are the, this is a example of all symbols. Okay, today we okay. So those are the example of symbol. Stop here today. In next lecture we see different charts, diagrams of work study, method study. Okay, thank you.